Just in time. A train's coming.
I think this is an Amtrak train, so back away, it's going to zoom right through. I do not believe this Marc train is stopping, so. But this Marc train is not stopping, so.
I didn't do open BVE from DC to Baltimore off the Marc train route. I want to ask them to make a Marc train route in open BVE, so I can ask them to convert them. But they said no. I had to ask something else to create it one.
Okay, I think that's going to be. Back off, yeah. Back off!
This is where we're going to ride this train to New York. This is the train where we're going to ride to New York.
That train's going to DC, Leo.
No, when this one's going to North.
That way is to New York. That way is to DC.
Yeah. Are there any Amtrak trains going to Miami?
Miami? Mm-hmm. Oh yes, but you'd have to go. It would be a long stretch. You'd have to transfer trains in DC. Yeah, you'd have to transfer trains in DC because the trains that go you have to transfer trains in DC to get to Miami. So we would go from here to, no, actually if we're gonna go from DC to Miami, it would make more sense to take a Marc train to Union Station and then take a Amtrak train from Union Station to Miami. Because why we want to take,
Those are birds.
yeah. Well, spring's coming, so the geese are starting to head back north. Hold it. Train. I think. Train?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Remember, if it stops, we're not boarding because we don't have any tickets and Mom's waiting for us. Back off, back off, back off, back off, okay? Back off. I think this one's stopping now. Wait a minute. Well, this is not stopping here. Interesting.
That's an express.
I guess so, but did you notice they didn't? But I've noticed something. Did you notice the Marc trains slow down when they come through here?
Yeah.
But the Amtrak trains don't. They just blast by.
Yeah, because they're express.
No, but the Marc train started slowing down a little when it came through here. It didn't stop, but it slowed down a little.
Passengers must remain on the high-level concrete platforms until after the train arrives and the conductor directs you to descend the stairs to access the middle track. Do not walk down the stairs before the train arrives. This is for your safety. Thank you for riding the Marc train service.
At least you can read.
For use by authorized personnel only.
Bus station, bus depot versus bus terminal. I don't know. Did we ever take you on a tour bus? That was just a thing. Be careful when you edit. Please don't have that covered.
Northbound train to come.
I don't know when the next northbound Amtrak is.
Don't worry, we still have time to wait. Back off, Dad.
Train. Oh, fuck! You're right, there's another train. Both of us, back off. Back.
There.
This is a Marc train, you know. This is a Marc train, I can tell.
I guess it's not stopping here.
It's an express, see?
What happened to the older Marc diesel locomotives?
They retired them a long time ago, Dale.
That's the older one.
I remember when they used to have electric ones, but they're long gone. There used to be electric ones way back when, Leo. We don't have electric ones anymore, though. Even though they could, the electric lines are right there. Leo, would you like me to check the schedule to see when the next train is?
Mm-hmm.
Leo, do you want to know when the next Marc train is?
Yes.
Or when the next Amtrak train is?
Both.
Okay, let me check it off. Oh, you want me to check northbound trains or southbound trains?
North and south.
Okay, let me check each. I think there might be a northbound train any minute now at this rate. Yeah, that's right. Which one of the advantages of getting
Shoot.
see the train coming further? That's one of the things well, back when your grandfather used to work in the DC subway tunnels, the trains didn't actually bother him as much as the work trucks did, because the trains he could feel them coming from a long ways away. Last train, okay, Leo? What kind of locomotive is that?
HHP8!
Look, it's an electric one!
Yeah! I never seen this before!
Yeah, well, I've seen them, but it's been a long time since I saw them, so is that...
Are there any HHP8 Amtrak locomotives?
I haven't seen those for a while, but I remember seeing them in Boston
But
right before I Met Your Mother.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if you remember me. Well, I don't know what because do you know how old I was when I met your mother?
Yeah.
I was actually a little younger than you when I met your mother.
Right.
At the time I was your age, your mother and I were already married.
Come on, let's get going.
Let's wait till it leaves, then we go home.
Well, you can get dinner.
No, Leo, you have pizza waiting for you at home. You know the rules. Fast food for lunch, pizza for dinner.
Right. Let's get going now.
Wait till it leaves, so you can finish off your video. Wait till it speeds off into the distance. I'm like, sometime I think maybe this summer. Hey, Leo, listen.
We can go to New York.
Well, maybe not New York, but I have an idea. Why don't you and I maybe ride some of the local trains commuter trains in South Jersey?
Where is South Jersey?
The NJ Transit train that goes from Philadelphia to Atlantic City. But we're not going to go all the way to Atlantic City, of course. What do you think?
We can, but we want to go to New York for.
Long way to New York. So.
Please.
We'll get to do it till this summer anyway. So.
We can ride the amtrak and sell it to New York.
Well, let me price that, okay, Leo?
Yes.
'Cause, if I can get a good deal for us, we can possibly do